Over the last 2 years, the Group European R&D Centre has developed a very versatile machine, the HGL Conversion Centre, available in 3 sizes: 924, 1228 and 1628. Using the HGL is like having 3 machines in one: a case maker, a rotary die cutter and a printing line. And what makes it even more interesting, the combination of the 3 to carry out complex jobs all in one go. The line is complete with full automatic peripherals, fully integrated and connected to the main machine. The FlexiFeed pre-feeder is fully automatic with non-stop shingling, completely electric with state-of-the-art electronic control. The HGL feeder is the swing no-crush feeder, patented by EDF Europe. The line is a fixed unit bottom print, full servo driven, with cliché preparation in the pit. It is possible to set the next order while running the previous one. The board transportation is by suction from the top. The slotter is a servo-driven dual shaft. The machine has a real top die cutter with quick die hooking. Before the folding unit, there is a mini stripping unit, granting the space for the die to eject the trim and also allowing quick and easy access for the operator to access the die change area. The folding unit transports the boxes by suction from the bottom and folds to the top. The counter ejector is top stacking, allowing the collection of full die-cut boxes without jams. The automatic palletizer has a centering unit before the rotation. In this area, more bundles can be accumulated according to box length. The rotation rotates 1 or more bundles per cycle according to the chosen mosaic pattern. The layer former builds the mosaic with the possibility of doubling it up if the production speed is very high. At every layer deposition, the stack is squared on 4 sides, thus allowing good quality finished product presentation. Thanks to the HGL's ability to use multiple analogs in the same print unit, the team can easily pass from regular production to a full coated high graphic print. The low-line analogs are therefore parked in the appropriate racks, and the fine print ones go into position. The folding unit can transport flat boards up to a width of 1,700 mm, and therefore the line converts itself into a high graphic printer. If needed, the high graphic print can also be cut, folded and glued. The machine being bottom printing and top die cutting, it is possible to perform also real die cut jobs. In this video you can see 2-ounce fruit trays delivered flat without folding. As an example of combination of the HGL's high flexibility, this is a 2-ups fully die cut box, cut, folded and glued all in one single passage. The top stacking counter ejector allows for the stacking of irregular shapes without risk of jamming. If, in place of a multifunctional machine, your business requires full-time die cutting, then the HGL can be used without folder and equipped with a specialized RDC collection line, allowing you to produce a very large number of die-cut jobs. At the exit of the RDC, a full automatic stripping and vacuum stacker is installed. The setup of this machine is fully automatic. The stripping unit can slide forward to allow access to the die change area. The round layboy belts leave plenty of space for the trim to fall. After the stripping area, the product is transported by suction from the top. The operator can always request, by pushing a button, a sample ejection near the main computer of the line. Thanks to the top vacuum transport, each blank is halted and released over the batch with no risk of jams, regardless of the odd shape or the number of out and ups. The boxes can be nicked as if they were produced on a flatbed die cutter. A perfectly squared batch is then released and sent to the breaker line. On the first one, the multi-up are separated. Then a sphere table provides the 90-degree rotation to feed the second breaker. This unit can grant very smooth transportation of even small blanks and flimsy material. Since the entire line has the same maximum width as the RDC, the simple stacking of a one-out big blank is also possible. All the movements are either electric or pneumatic. There are no hydraulics present in the machine. After breaking, it is possible to form a mosaic pattern. In this video, it is just a simple rotation, but more complex mosaics are possible. Also in this case, the layer receives a tie sheet and is then neatly stacked to be dispatched to the packing area. The new Casemaker HGL is a complete new machine family for high quality and productivity.